Welcome to SisTeas!
Nando Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Barangay Tabun, Mabalacat, Pampanga, because we're gonna visit a very humble milk tea shop. So if you are near this area, Fiesta Mabalacat or Severa Mabalacat, you gotta check this out, guys. Tara, puntahan natin. Let's go! Hello, ma'am. So, yun guys, upon entering this place, if you notice, very humble, very simple, kumbaga, and yet so kikay, no? So, pinaka-dining natin dito sa loob, it can accommodate around until 8 persons. And meron din naman siyang mga seats sa labas. So, my first impression, very SisTeas. Very sister ang dating, no? So, very hip and kumbaga modern millennial naman yung term SisTeas. Hey SisTeas, mga ganyan, no? So, napaka-chill, napaka-light ng brand nila. So, yeah, this is it. We're gonna taste their food, have some milk teas, and know more about this place. Let's go. Yun guys, done with the photo shoot and mga POs natin for this vlog. So, mga milk teas natin, they served us 5 of their milk teas. And then, they also served us their coffee. So, this is an iced coffee, passion fruit, cheesecake, winter melon, matcha with cream puff. Okinawa, another one of the classics, dark choco with cream puff. I mean, from their logo, meron tayong Bible verse which, of course, motivates us and inspires us. So, yun, we're gonna taste it, guys. Alright, so guys, right after na-prepare natin yung mga milk teas natin, they have served me yung mga bestseller food nila dito. Meron silang mga pasta. So this is called chicken pesto. Meron din silang spaghetti meatballs. This is their nachos. Meron tayong mga fries. And what really interests me is yung kanilang mga chicken wings. So right now we have 4 flavors. Yung fourth natin is a chicken tender. We're lucky that they just, you know, served this one today. Then dun sa mga chicken wings natin, garlic parmesan. This is a buffalo wings. And then this one is soy garlic. Soy, nana, another information guys, so me coming from San Fernando, Pampanga, direction coming to here from San Fernando is San Fernando exit, and then nag-exit po ako. Last stall na in-exitan natin is yung sa Dolores. And then this road right here is the, going to Bambantarlac. On your right, makikita nyo na yung Tabun Municipal Hall. Very near that place is the SisTeas. And right now, again, they serve us really mouth-watering dishes, guys. So, I'm gonna start with this. So, ano na lang tayo? Chronological orders tayo, guys. So, this is their chicken pesto. If you're just with me, grabe. Very earthy yung yung amoy nito. Oh, wow. That was really good. That was really good. Very earthy. Pwede siya dun sa mga pasosyal, mga medyo maaarte na pasta. That was really good. Now, this one is the spaghetti meatballs. Oh, wow. So cheesy. Hindi tinipid yung sauce. It's not dry. It's really cheesy. Yan. And then, of course, meron pa tayong mga Parmesan cheese on top. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's a little bit Italian. Huwag po kayo mag-expect na parang sweet and sour or sweet. It's very Italian. Okay, anyway, let me move on with this one. Grabe, just from the look of it. Maglalaway ka talaga, guys. Just from the look of it. So, let me get this one piece right here. So one thing I observed sa mga food nila, it's so generous sa cheese, no? Oh wow. Before I proceed dun sa mga chicken natin, I wanna taste yung kanilang I wanna taste this one. So this is their passion fruit. Let me get my straw. So let's give it a quick shake. For a really hot day, this is what you really want, no? A refreshing passion fruit juice. Now, if you check out their fan page, makikita nyo dun yung menus natin. Very affordable sila, no? For their milk teas, actually nakita ko as low as 69 pesos. For their premium, wow! So 89 pesos for the 22 ounce na yun. Now, for their Grahams, up until 120 pesos only. Now, that's for the Graham series, guys. So let me proceed sa mga chicken nila. SisTeas, thank you so much for being generous with me. Look at this size. So glazed. Let's taste it. Naman na. Sakto pa mo kasi ako lunch. If you're from Fiesta Communities, guys, and SisTeas Mabalacat, they're gonna deliver your orders for free. As low as 200 pesos, so pwede ka na mag-order from their menu and they're gonna deliver it to your doorsteps for free. Those are for folks sa SisTeas Mabalacat, Fiesta Communities Mabalacat. Outside those vicinity natin, available po sila sa Nana Moves, Grab Pabile, and then Tok Tok. So available po sila for deliveries if you cannot go to this place or you don't want to leave your your house. Anyway, so this is the next. It's buffalo wings. Medyo sour and spicy. Parang nasa dulo yung spiciness niya. This is almost a meat tender. Ayan. It's not dry, yung pinaka-meat niya. Yung pinaka-crust natin, yung pinaka-outer coating ng chicken natin, it is crispy. Para naman sa soy garlic, so this is the piece right here. Wow, like I told you guys, yung outer coating niya, still crispy, although this has been sitting for a while habang nagpo-photoshoot tayo and video shoot syempre. Skin natin is still crunchy. Malasa talaga. Siguro for each servings, they have 6 pieces of chicken. Shareable up until maximum of 3 persons. Pero siguro kung may appetite, may appetite, around 2 lang kami. So last, for the chickens, kung ikaw yung ayaw mo yung mga buto-buto ng chicken wings, this is chicken tenders straight to your probably rice. Kung ganyan, no? Although it's also good for finger food. So, available din doon sa mga 3 flavors na sinabi natin kanina. Just this one, it's chicken tenders. Debone. So, right after our passion fruit, I wanna taste their coffees. Now, tingnan natin yung coffee nila. So, again, look at their branding. So SisTeas, so SisTeas. Their iced coffee. SisTeas. Oh, wow. Gigisingin ka nito, guys. It's creamy and bitter. And what I like about it is, kumbaga gusto nilang gising sa magdamag, maghapon. Yeah, they're gonna get this one. At the same time, they're gonna be refreshed. If you are to ask me among the dishes that they serve, ano ba yung pinakagusto ko? I think for their chicken, I'm gonna go for their buffalo. So like I said, napaka-sauce niya. Saucy, juicy. I like the crispy coating. Yeah, still crispy. And then for their pasta, I'm gonna go for their meatball spaghetti. I'm not really a pasta guy, but sobrang nagustuhan ko yung sauce nila dito. It's out of this place. You cannot distinguish any Filipino taste or lasang Pinoy. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, it's a little bit Italian. It's a little bit sour, which I really like. Guys, I still have some milk teas to taste, but I'm gonna share this with the folks here. If you like the food you saw in this video, and if you wanna go here, make sure to check out SisTeas. So again, this is located po sa Tabun, Brgy, Tabun, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Probably we can also invite yung mga taga-Bamban. You gotta check out this place. For sure, you are going to enjoy the food that they are going to serve you guys. So again, thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, share it with your friends. Kung gusto nyo naman enjoy ito sa the comfort of your home, they are available via delivery and order. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. I'm gonna share this with the rest of the gang. Until our next video. Peace out, guys. Stay safe.